Alright, so this video comes from section 3, topic 1, and we're going to go over the basic definition of a function. Alright, functions are comprised of inputs and outputs. The input can also be called the domain, and the output can be called the range. Alright, so if we are trying to do part A and complete diagram A so that it is a function, alright, the definition of a function is each input can have only one output. Alright, so if we look at diagram A, we can see that the input is always 4. Alright, so if we only have one input, each of those inputs has to go to the same output in order for it to be a function. Alright, if they all went to different outputs, then that would not be a function. Alright, so let's complete diagram B so that it is not a function. Alright, so if it's not a function, each input has more than one output. Alright, so basically think of functions as a computer. Alright, if you type the letter Z and you're trying to spell a word with the letter Z, but every time that you press the input keyboard key of Z, it came out with an M and you misspelled every word like that, alright, that would be something that would not be a function. So if when I inputted 4, I came out to -1 or to 3 or to 7, it had the option to put anything it wanted there, alright, that would make it not a function. Alright, and then our last one, is it possible to complete the mapping for diagram C so it represents a function? Yes. Alright, so if I drew diagram C like that, alright, -1 has an output of 4, -3 has an output of 4, and 7 has an output of 4. Alright, they all share an output, but remember our definition is each input has exactly one output, and that's exactly what happens for diagram C. Alright, so that's all for this video. If you have any questions, make sure you ask them in the comments, and post a comment so I know that you watched the video.